Right now, 3:39 p.m. on a Tuesday, July 25th. Now let's open up a Uber app. So right now, right, there is a surge in Boston. It's because that right now there is a lot of raining. It's rain. Okay, you see, right? The sky is so gray. It's raining, right? Here is a $12 shirt. It's good, but at this point, I just want to go back to Quincy, Dorchester. I don't want to head up to the Cambridge or Somerville, somewhere else. So right now, church, right? Because rain normally on a Tuesday. There's no church on a Tuesday. Right here, Somerville, but 9-minute pickup is far away. I don't do 9 minutes. 9 minutes for Uber, it turned out to be about 12 minutes. Lately in Boston, Uber underestimate, on the pickup timing. So whenever you see, 9-minute pickup, right? It have to be 12-minute pickup. If you see 5-minute pickup, that means 7. You have to add 2 minutes, 3 minutes extra. At least 2 minutes. Okay, so this one only 9 minutes.
Head to your pickup on Amherst Street.
9 minutes for okay, let me show you what I'm talking about. 9 minutes for $19. That's good, but let me show you what I mean. What I'm trying to explain to you, right? You see Uber give you 5 minutes, right? In Boston, always, when you hit on the app, right? It turns 5 minutes into 7 minutes. Let's watch. You see, it turn into 10-minute pickup. 10-minute pickup. You see that? No, I'm not gonna do 10 minutes. I have to cancel. That's too much. If I drive 10 minutes and then another 15 minutes, 10 minutes from here to the pickup location, basically from here, right? Go up there and then this 141 minutes, where they going? So basically, like 10 minutes, go all the way up there and take a ride, and then another after 10-minute pickup, and then another 15 minutes from the pickup location to the destination. That's almost 30 minutes for $19. No, I'm not gonna do that. That is the reason why I keep doing the video to share with you guys, because as you see, every ping come to me with the 11 search, I turn down. That one is going back to my home, is a good one, but I don't want 10-minute pickup. So as you see, right? You see all my pink $9 shirt with the $2 boost. Every single thing you see, right? Very, very profitable. But you see that I don't accept it. In my every video, I want to share with you, why the hell in the world that you go out there and you accept everybody without search? How you gonna make money? There is no way you make money, my friend. There is no way you make money, my friend. And you say, oh, why you decline all the thing? Are you gonna be out there to make money or what, you know? Well, because my goals, you know, like today, right? I only aim for making a $100. But by now, because I make $115 by now. So to me, okay, so
Pickup at Agnes Arena and Fitness Center, com.
So this one, right? I am positive that I'm not gonna cancel because the address here is about 1 mile up there, and then the customer return back right here, around right here. So basically, this one right here go up there, and then return back where am I right now. So this one I'm gonna take it, but watch, 4 minutes, right? Watch, when I hit, it turn into 6-7 minutes. Watch.
Let's take Commonwealth Avenue, Boston.
See? How did I tell you guys? You see? 6 minutes. That's what I'm talking about. So whenever you see Uber say 5 minutes to the pickup location, you have to assume 7 minutes. And guys, after you accept, right, always turn this one off. Always. If you don't turn that one off, you're not gonna make money. You see, I decline. I cancel 10 minutes ride for $20. And I was wondering why many drivers, they drive for no search. They accept everybody. They drive from here to New Hampshire for $35. From Boston to New Hampshire for $35. How the hell you gonna make money, my friend? How the heck you make money? From Boston to New Hampshire for $35. From Boston to Connecticut for $45. No, you don't make money. You don't make money.